Hi guys, it's Joshua once more. In response to the breakdown request I got on my previous video, that's the how great our God jam I did. I decided to make this video and share it with everyone so that we can all learn. Alright, so please pardon the way I talk right now. I'm having serious headache and eye strain. Alright, so what I did, okay, let me just play. I played a leak on that video and just hear it real fast. Here it is. Okay, I know that was real fast, but it's so simple. Very, very simple. What I did was that's what I did. Okay, so let me take it notes for notes. So what I did was I went A flat. Now we're in the key of D flat major, so we have 5 flats and the key signature. Alright, so A flat, B flat, D flat, E flat, F, and I slowed down, E flat, D flat. Okay, so that's the first part. Okay, then the next one was, which is E flat, D flat, and C. And the next one is, alright, so that is A flat, G flat, and F. And the next one, and this one is C, B flat, A. The next one is just a repetition of what I did before. So, which is E flat, D flat, C. Okay, so after doing this last, understand, I did A flat, E flat. Okay, it's a slaw or like a grace, anyhow you want to call it. So I went to F. Okay, so after F I went to E flat, then D flat. That's all. That's it. Okay, sometimes I rely on the speed to be more accurate. I don't know why. It just happens subconsciously, but that's just it. Thank you so much.